Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your messenger when your microphone is not working during the video call. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you're trying to make a video call on Messenger and your contacts are complaining about the Messenger microphone not working properly, then this video is for you. If that happens to you, the first thing you'll need to do is force restart your phone. Hold the power button and simply tap on the restart button in order to restart your device. Once you force restart your device, it refreshes your device's memory and reloads its apps and services, and the problem might be solved. Once you're done with the restarting process, open your Messenger and try making a video call to know if the microphone now works properly. Next thing to do is to test your microphone. Go launch open any voice recorder application and simply press the red button and start recording. If the phone captures your voice, then the microphone is working just fine. So move on to the next procedure. The next thing to do is go and check your app permissions. Go tap open your settings on your phone, and once you do that, swipe up from the screen and tap on Apps. Under Apps, select Messenger. Tap it on. This will open up your app info page. Now, scroll all the way down under App Settings and tap on the Permissions option. In this page, the services that the app is allowed to access is displayed. You can go ahead and see if any permissions are denied. In my case, you can see that the microphone permission has been denied and it is located into the denied category. So simply tap it on and tap on Allow. Now go back, leave no permissions denied, and launch open your Messenger application and see if your problem is solved. If that still does not fix it, the next thing to do is to reset your Messenger application. Go to Settings one more time to do so, and under Settings, select Apps. Find Messenger from the list of the applications displayed and tap it on. From the App Info page, click on Storage. At the bottom right, tap on Clear Cache, and now tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK. Now go ahead and launch open your Messenger application to see the problem solved. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you're walking through your microphone not working on your Messenger problem. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.